What's up, everybody? Alexander Fibonacci, the day trading champ here today, and today's going to be a ridiculous day. The market crash starts now. So let's get into it. Tesla is trading at 130 points lower in 2 days. Now, guys, let me tell you why this is so significant. It's because we stock split, and now 130 points doesn't look that ridiculous. But think about it before, guys. Before the stock split, 130 points would have been 700 points before, and we would have all been freaking out right now if we saw Tesla drop 700 points in 2 days. So, guys, this thing doesn't look as bad as it actually is, but let me tell you, it is horrible. So, on top of that, guys, we got stock splits. All their steam that's pushed them forward after the stock splits, it's coming to an end. They're out of gas now, and you see that with Apple as well. Now, the thing about Tesla is it doesn't actually have any stake in the S&P 500, whereas Apple does. Apple does. So now we're selling off an Apple. We're starting, and look at the pre-market volume. 2.4 million on Apple already pre-market. So this thing is selling off really hard. You're going to want to short the hell out of this thing at the open, but that's a different story. We'll get to the best trades of the day later in the next video that I'll post here in just a sec, but we're talking about the market crash right now. Apple, Tesla already selling off crazy hard. Expect another huge down day for them. And the thing about Tesla, guys, is it's been that lead hype stock that everyone's been on, everyone's, been trying to make money off of, but now it's finally come to an end. So it's going to be the leading indicator. And when I say leading indicator, I don't mean MACD or RSI. I mean it is the leader of the tech stocks. It is the leader of this absolute boom we've had lately. And now that the leader is finally coming down, so will everything else, guys. If Tesla, with all the hype it's had, can't continue to propel forward, what makes you think the other great tech stocks are going to be able to as well? So, on top of that all, guys, we have vaccine hopes. If you look here, we got CDC asked states to prepare to distribute coronavirus vaccine as soon as November 1st. So they're pushing out this virus quickly. Now, what is everyone thinking right now? Oh, when the vaccine comes out, the market's going to be so good and it's going to go even higher. But realize, why is the market up so hugely right now in the last, 5 months? It's because of the major leading tech stocks, the stocks that are absolutely thrive in the market conditions. They thrive because of coronavirus, and they make up 38+% of the S&P 500. So when you got institutions that are about to start taking profits out of stocks like Netflix, Amazon, Apple, the leading stocks that really move the S&P 500 forward, are you really going to keep going higher, guys? Or are we actually going to drop? So the answer to that is we're not going to go higher. That's for sure. Now, it will depend on how hard will tech and these bank stocks that lead the market, how hard will they sell off coming in the next few months, especially with the vaccine that's coming out November 1st. Obviously, they want to get it out. They're overriding any rules, any regulations that, they would have had to go through before because they want to get this thing out sooner. So the urgency there will lead to a faster panic in the market than I think people expect, and that's huge. That's how we can make super huge money on options, because time is one of the biggest assets when it comes to the price of your options and how much they can actually accumulate. Alright, guys, so we talked about how Tesla is the leader of this absolute boom that we've had in the last 5 months. So when they start taking out a Tesla, right, it's a leader. So that's how we know that they will start taking out of the other stocks as well. Now, what's really important is when we start taking out stocks like Amazon and Apple, the ones that really have a huge percentage in the S&P 500, because that's when we'll really start dropping. The reason why we haven't dropped yet is because we haven't had Amazon or Apple sell off very hard yet. That's why we keep reaching all-time highs every day, is because Amazon and Apple at least maintain their levels, and because the stock split has pushed them forward and kept this market up for now. But now that we see the steam is coming down, the institutional investors are going to take profits on Amazon, especially if they're taking the profits on Tesla and Apple. Then, yes, guys, we will have a correction, and it just depends how fast will it really ramp up. But guys, the crash is coming now. Be ready for it. Don't be on the wrong side of the spectrum. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed also so you get good analysis and breakdowns like this, because I promise you, you're not getting any better breakdown anywhere else. Guys, with that being said, I'm Alexander Fibonacci, the day trading champ, and I'll see you guys in the next video.